power tool for beginners, frequently asked
In regards to
questions.
how I come up with these answers, real easy. I Google them first, look them up on YouTube. I follow several different channels in which I'm recommending in this channel, which I believe are truly the best out of hundreds of tool channels out there. I also ask friends, relatives, and lately, well, not lately, because again, I've been doing do-it-yourself projects and I've been learning about tools prior to doing the channel. Every once in a while, I'll see some construction guys, I'll stop, I'll get out of the car, I'll introduce myself and I'll say, hey man, what's that tool used for? What use is that tool for? Has that been a good brand for you? Is it easy to use? What is it heavy? What's the purpose of it? So I do my research from several different points of reference so that I can give you guys the best information available. So with that said, I hope that you guys enjoy this section of Power Tools for Beginners, frequently asked questions and answers. And again, please share, like, and subscribe if you like the channel. Goodbye.
What is a brush tool? I keep hearing about all the time. Brush tools have a lifespan and they need maintenance. So what is a brushless tool for? Brushless tools don't need maintenance and they last a lifetime. Should I buy corded or cordless power tools? Which one is best? Cordless is the future but very expensive. Corded is always reliable. What are the best and most reliable power tool brands? Right here. Look no further.